guys and gals, it's about that time. It's been 8 months since we've moved up Jenny's foliage, and so there's a little bit of color left in her ends. We're going to be mindful of those spots, and here we go. So I'm going to go in with a deep weave, and I am going to place the foil, and I am using Moonlights by Sunlight's Balayage. And so this is a foil lightener that has clay in it so it doesn't swell. So that's really awesome, but you really need to work the product in, but it's great for all the feathering that's going on with the foiling techniques today. And I'm going to go in with like a bricklay fashion throughout the back of the head because she does wear a stacked bob and we don't want a whole bunch of like symmetrical things. So we want to do deep weaves and we want to be symmetric and we want to be like scattered all over the place. So we're going to go ahead and feather that top section in. And I'm not going to pull the lightener through the ends, but I am going to fold it up in the foil in hopes that it gets some of the like the effervescence from the lightener and it'll pull some of that color out. So just working on that money piece for the front, which she always likes to have like a really nice pop of blue in. So we're going to go in with some fun colors on this. And I'm going to do a bit of a root shadow as well, just because I want to smooth out some of those lines just to make the grow out even nicer. So we're going to go ahead and do that here in a second after we rinse her out. Here we go. And we're going to do her root shadow all over. Just quick 10 minutes. Leave it on just to blend some of those little foil lines away. And then that's the after the root shadow. So it just softens it all up. And so we're going to go in with Matrix Socult. And I put Olaplex in everything that I do. Olaplex #1. So direct dyes have no effect on the hair. They just directly go in and they directly come out, unfortunately. So you're going to go ahead and add Olaplex #1 to that. So it's like almost like doing a standalone because there is no effects on the hair. So I used about 5 colors for this: a pink, a custom purple, a blue, a teal, and a neon blue. And some of them were custom, some of them were straight out of the tube. I just work them into each other, blending them in with my fingers and working it all out. I do a deep weave on the top to get some multiple tones going on and then working on that money piece in the front. And guys, the after is just so pretty. We gave her a good cut, stacked up that bob with my signature stacked bob, which I love to do on her, and it just always looks so beautiful. And we thought this position was really dumb, but actually it came out really pretty. I'm like, put your hands in your hair. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.